Hey everyone, it's Janeri here. Welcome to my channel. So today is my 2-month update on this hair. I did my first video a couple weeks ago. I had the hair for a few weeks, installed actually. And yeah, today it's been about 3 more weeks, and at this point I know how the hair is gonna act, and I have a pretty good update for y'all. Okay, so first off, let's talk about the specs. So I got my phone here. I have Brumese Royal Grade kinky straight hair. I have 16, 18, and 20 inches. It's 2.5 bundles with a 14-inch closure. And the color is 1B. Now usually the first thing I'll do is I'll go in and I'll dye the hair like jet black. But this time, I kept it at the normal color, and I actually really like the normal color. It's not like super dark, it's not light. It's exactly how I like it. Well, it's more of my mood this year. So I ended up making it into a wig. I used one of those wave caps, wig cap thingies, and it was a really easy construction. I used, like I said, 2.5 bundles, so I didn't even use the whole. And if this is too thick for you, then you could easily just use 2 bundles and get away with it, especially when it's puffy, it's big. The bundles were nice and thick. The weft was my favorite part because it wasn't super tight. A lot of times whenever I get kinky hair, the weft is super thick. It's so hard to like push through, and I hate working with it. This weft was the easiest. And this hair was also extremely easy to straighten. Now, a couple bad things about this hair. Okay, so number one, it does not hold a curl very long. The first week I had it, it was holding a curl pretty well. Like the first time I curled it, it wasn't that great. The second time I curled it, it was great. And now it does not hold the curl very well. But it does keep it straight pretty good. That's what I've noticed. Now this hair is very sensitive to moisture. I've straightened it a few times. But you know what? I mean, that's the thing. It's just like if you buy like wavy hair and it slowly starts to like gravitate back to what it was. This hair, it starts to go right back to where it was if you don't touch it. I put my wig on my wig stand. I was wearing other wigs, and then it would go back to getting kinky. So today, I actually went through the flat iron. I took about 30 minutes to straighten out the wig, and I like it. 1 or 2 passes are pretty good. I didn't really get the middle, but it did what it needed to do. It is extremely cold today. It's about 30 degrees outside. I'm in Texas. Today is New Year's Eve. I was gonna say New Year's, but today is New Year's Eve, so I'm probably gonna end up wearing this wig tonight. So we'll see how it does, but I think I'll be good because it's cold. But in the summertime, I would 100% probably not recommend this unless you're okay with the hair kinking up. I absolutely love the closure. The closure is great. All I did was bleach it a little bit right here. I didn't really bleach the back of it because I wasn't really sure what I was doing really with it. My construction of the wig is okay. It's not bad actually. I mean, I like it. And I put some of my real hair out in the front just because I'm not, this is the actual like closure wig. It's not a frontal wig. So I always take a little bit of my hair out. Other than that, everybody keeps on asking me where did I get this hair from. The hair is high maintenance if you want to style it, but if you just want to wear it straight like this, the hair is very low maintenance. Once a week you will have to pass the flat iron through it, to keep it refreshed. But that's like with any wig. I mean, the only wigs I have that I can just throw on are my straight wigs after I flexi rod them or something. But other than that, I can't even do that with those wigs. So yeah, I wanted to make this really quick. I love this hair. I really do like it. Even when the hair starts like kinking up in the back, it's still not tangly. It's just like a soft kink. It just doesn't match the rest of the texture. So that was another good thing. I mean, the hair just in general is just really smooth, really silky, and it moves like my hair would if it was like straightened out or blown out or something. And yeah, the lengths, I feel like I chose pretty good lengths. Usually because I'm tall, I'm 5'8", I would usually go for like a 22, but this 20 is actually really great, and this 16 and 18. Let me show you guys the back. I don't really want to show you on the back because I did not really straighten out the back. But because I'm going to be like partying tonight, but I'm not really worried about it because we're going to be partying most likely tonight or something, or going out and just walking or something. So nobody's going to pay me any attention. Nobody pays me any attention anyway, so you know, I can get away with stuff like that. So let me go over it one more time. This is from DYHAIR777. This is the Brumese Kinky Straight. It's 18, 16, 20 inches. I know that was out of order with the 14-inch closure. I will have all the links below. And actually, you guys can save $10 off of your order of $50 or more with the code IRMA10. And try out the hair if you are interested in this kind of hair. I definitely would say you got to play around with it a bit more. This is definitely more of just like the casual on-the-go type of hair. Like if you're going to work, you just pop this wig on. If you're going out, but the hair is a bit high maintenance to keep it in this state, but if you just want to keep it kinky, the hair is extremely easy. Like even combing through the kinkiness was easy. So it's high maintenance, just like with any, I guess, hair, if you want to keep it in a certain state that's not its original state. But in its natural state, you know, you put a little bit of mousse in it, you comb through it a little bit, and you got some nice kinks going on. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this was helpful. And if you guys have any questions, you can comment them down below. I'll leave all the info in the description box. I always say that, and then people are like, where'd you get it? Where'd you get it? And I'm like, it's in the description box. It's in the title. The link is on it. Just kidding. Yeah, but everything will be down there. This lipstick is Chateau M and High Heels by MAC. I do the darker one on the outside, a lighter one on the inside. So if any of you guys are interested, people always ask me what's my lip color. And I'm wearing Lancome on my face. So yeah, anyway, I love you guys so much. Happy New Year, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.